There is definitely a parvo outbreak within the homeless community at the encampment in Kalamazoo.
A parvovirus outbreak causing an uproar between the unhoused population and animal rescue officials. That outbreak is believed to have originated and started a little over a week ago.
Our Lauren Coomer spoke with those involved in trying to find a solution and has the latest.
3 dogs already dying after testing positive for parvovirus, with around 25 to 30 other dogs who may be infected. Now, animal rescue organizations are coming together in hopes of finding a solution.
This is something that not one organization can handle. Nobody has the resources to handle this on their own. All of these dogs technically would need to be isolated and then treated for parvo.
Parvovirus is an extremely contagious illness that mainly affects puppies and dogs who are unvaccinated, being spread by feces from infected puppies.
Those virus particles are picked up by other dogs or puppies through contact with the ground, and then they either lick their feet or they eat off the ground. So it's what we call fecal-oral route. It's picked up through ingestion.
Dr. Withers saying symptoms include being overly tired and quiet, not eating or drinking, as well as vomiting and/or bloody feces or diarrhea. Puppies can start showing symptoms in just 3 to 6 days, the illness requiring hospitalization.
The only supportive care that we can really provide to be helpful would be IV fluids, medications to stop vomiting, sometimes even plasma transfusions and some more advanced cases like that. But there's very little that can be done at home.
The issue, though, many people living in the encampments with dogs do not want to give them up.
It's incredibly hard on the animal welfare side to have somebody refuse help, but I also understand because we're dealing with mental illness, we're dealing with drug addiction, and like I said, this is their only one physical possession that nobody can take away.
Dr. Withers saying the best preventative measure is getting your puppies fully vaccinated and then continuing with vaccination efforts as needed. Gerstner saying she's hoping they could do a mass vaccination clinic to help prevent this going forward.
Nobody can go in and save them all. We just need to come up with some sort of emergency plan to try to do what we can do.
Again, it is important to get your dog fully vaccinated against the contagious virus. For a list of resources or more information, you can head to our website, fox17online.com. Reporting in Kalamazoo, Lauren Coomer, Fox 17 News.
Lauren, thank you. We did reach out to Kalamazoo County Animal Control Services several times for a statement, but did not hear back as of news time. The Kalamazoo Humane Society did put out a statement on the situation that reads in part, KHS has been actively working behind the scenes with homeless pet owners in Kalamazoo for over a year. We are disheartened that this disease has made its way into the homeless population. Adding, we will continue to work with homeless pet owners through our pet food bank, spay and neuter services, and core vaccines.